Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error Java virtual machine launcher. If you want to fix it, all you have to do just click here and then just type here view advanced system settings, and then click this option, and after that click new, and now just type here Java options, and in second one type this code, and now click OK and OK and OK again, and after that all you have to do just restart your PC, and after starting your PC just type here task manager, and then close all the applications that you don't need like Google Chrome, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.